Hello friends, it's Raj. I'm back with an unboxing and quick look of a product, and it is the Logitech C525 portable HD webcam. So let's begin.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
So this webcam costs around 3000 rupees and has 2 years limited warranty. Let's take it out. So here is the webcam, then the user manual. This is a medium budget webcam which offers HD quality, autofocus and a built-in mono mic. It has got a 1.5 meter cable, a foldable and 360 degree rotatable clamp which can be attached on top of most laptops and LCD or LED screens. Now let's see the product in action. I am currently using this device as a face cam for live streaming. So this is the product website. You can clearly see that the Logitech logo is just Logi in the product. I had to stress it because many reviews were saying that these were fake due to the condensed logo. In the website, you can register the product and also download the software which allows you to change the webcam settings. However, the device is just plug and play. These are some of the settings available from the Logitech application. There is also app exclusive settings available for the webcam, like the open broadcasting software had access to some settings like face tracking, autofocus, white balance and all. The mono speaker is also sensitive enough for video calls, but for other purposes like live streaming, I suggest to use a different mic.
Testing. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Overall, it is a satisfactory product from Logitech. You can find the product link in the video description. Hope the video was useful. Peace.